Are you unknowingly sabotaging your Ramadan? What if I told you that some of the things we casually do every single day in Ramadan could silently reduce our rewards? Ramadan is a month of mercy, forgiveness, and immense blessings, but only if we approach it the right way. Ramadan is not just about staying hungry and thirsty. It is a spiritual training camp designed to transform our hearts, discipline our souls, and bring us closer to Allah. Yet many of us repeat the same mistakes every year, mistakes that prevent us from truly maximizing the blessings of this sacred month. Today, let's talk about some of the most common Ramadan mistakes and how we can fix them. There are generally three main areas where mistakes happen during Ramadan. First, mistakes related to fasting itself. Second, mistakes connected to prayer and worship. And third, mistakes in our overall spiritual conduct and behavior. Some people focus only on not eating and drinking but forget that fasting is much deeper than that. Others increase certain acts of worship but neglect their character. And many unintentionally turn Ramadan into a month of food, sleep, and social media rather than reflection and connection with Allah. If we don't identify these issues, we risk completing Ramadan physically tired but spiritually unchanged. One common mistake is neglecting suhoor. The Prophet encouraged us to eat suhoor because there is blessing in it. Yet some people skip it out of laziness, missing both physical strength and spiritual barakah. A simple solution, even a few dates and water with sincere intention, can bring immense reward. Another mistake is excessive eating at iftar. After a long day of fasting, it's easy to overindulge. But overeating leads to laziness, making tarawih and night worship difficult. Moderation is key. Break your fast calmly, pray Maghrib, and eat with balance. A third mistake is focusing more on food preparation than worship. Hours in the kitchen, endless scrolling through recipes, but very little time with the Quran. Ramadan is the month of the Quran. Even setting aside 20 to 30 minutes daily for recitation can transform your connection with Allah. But perhaps the most dangerous mistake, the one that truly destroys the spirit of Ramadan, is neglecting our character. Backbiting, gossip, arguments, wasting hours on social media. The Prophet warned that whoever does not give up false speech and evil actions, Allah has no need of him giving up his food and drink. Think about that. We might be hungry all day, yet losing our rewards through careless words. Ramadan is not just a hunger test. It is a character test. If our tongues are not fasting, if our eyes are not fasting, if our hearts are not fasting, then what have we really gained? Ramadan is a gift, a limited opportunity, a chance to erase sins and elevate our status. By avoiding these common mistakes, neglecting suhoor, overeating, ignoring the Quran, and failing to guard our character, we can truly maximize its rewards. What do you think is the biggest mistake people make in Ramadan? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. And if you want more powerful reminders like this, subscribe to the channel and join us on this journey of becoming better Muslims, one Ramadan at a time.